Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you about the magnifier shortcuts. You know, the Windows Magnifier tool is incredibly useful for zooming in or a specific part of your screen during tutorial or presentation to help your audience to see small details clearly. So here is the quick guide to the essential shortcuts and how you can use it perfectly. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. So this is the window key and this is the plus key, and it is also called the equal key. You need to press both keys all together. For example, press this window key and this key, and here you can see that the magnifier is on, and here is the plus icon. You need to press it to zoom it to whatever the zoom requirement. This is the 500%. If you want to decrease it, click on this minus icon. Click on this settings, and here you can increase or decrease the zoom in or zoom out speed. For example, you want to make it fast, you need to set it here, and now click on plus, and here it is much quicker and faster to zoom in. And if you want to make it slow, you just need to set it, and now click on this zoom in. It takes a little time. Now if you want to turn off magnifier, you need to press window key plus escape key all together. Here you can see that it is turned off. So if you want to zoom with mouse scroll, you need to press Ctrl plus Alt and use your mouse scroll wheel like this one. Here you can see that. And if you want to decrease it, just scroll down the wheel key on the opposite side. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.